how to sew the typical jean front pockets. I'm working on a pair of jeans right now and I want you guys to see. So let's start. So I need to have a lining. In this case, I'm using self. I finished the coin pocket, so now I'm just gonna go and add it. So it's a quarter inch basically. Quarter inch. It's could be half an inch actually. I'm gonna make sure I do half an inch seam allowance because that's what normally jeans do. So it's half an inch all around. Since it's a curve, I'm maintaining my half an inch all the way to the other end. So now once I'm there, I have to kind of clip here, and then we're good. So now I'm gonna go to the other side. Now I'm going to sew the other side. It's the same kind of principle. You just make sure it's half an inch seam allowance all the way to the other side. This pocket has the body has a different scoop than the pocket lining, so I kind of kept going with the body because the body will determine the look of the curve. Okay, so I'm done there. The next step is to add double needle on it. So this is how our pocket lining looks like on the right hand side. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make sure the lining is not showing on this side, although it's the same color, so it doesn't matter. But when it's a different color, it does matter. So I think my how you call that, stitch tension, it's a little bit off, but I just fixed right now. Okay, so then you just go. This is a double needle, quarter inch needle to needle sewing machine. So this is what all the jean use. So this is how it looks like. So then that's one side, and then we're going to the other side. I'm going to grab the lining, make sure it's underneath, and then I start to sew it here. I can do like a small one step tacking. Okay, so let's say, so this is how the front pocket looks like. Then we're coming up to the top, right where the waistband is gonna go, and we're done. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna have to sew this one with a quarter inch single needle to finish the pocket lining. So this is how the pocket lining is. I'm gonna go on the reverse side of the pocket lining. I could use a quarter inch foot, but I'm using my regular single needle foot just to. All right, so then we start here. I'm going to start like a quarter inch top stitch at the edge. This is very simple. I don't really need to change the foot because it's kind of like easy to do a quarter inch all around. And then I come to the side. Now I'm going to, this has a notch where I'm supposed to fold it, so the notch is here, the center, and then I just bring the top front to the other notch, and I do a little tacking, a setting stitch, and then on the side as well, I have to, there's a notch right here where I'm supposed to start. I do the same thing, and then I sew the side seam. That's just a setting stitch, and then this is how our pocket looks like. If I press it up, it will look great. So I'm going to go to the others to start the other side as well. So this is how it normally looks like, but I'm going to start from the opposite side. So when I finish it, I'm going to turn it over, and then I will finish on the right side. So here's what I'm going to do again. Same as this is very repetitive. I'm done. I turn the inside out. I add the top stitch. I'm doing both pockets so you guys can see one with the coin pocket and the other one doesn't have a coin pocket, because that's how normally the denim jeans are. So then I sew the top stitch on the inside, then Instead of starting on the top, I'm starting on the bottom side of the pocket, side seam basically. Finish here, and then the notch automatically kind of fixes itself. And then I'm just going to start right here. This is how it looks like. So that's our front pockets. I'm done with this pair. It's not that difficult. um it's very simple if you have everything like set. So I'm just gonna press it up a little bit so it can fix itself. I had these fronts have zipper pockets. If you want to learn how to add these zippers on fake zipper pockets on the legs, I have a whole video coming up also, so you can check it out. And as they say it in French, voila, there are our front pockets, jean front pockets. This has a coin pocket right here, and the other one is just plain. And that's how you get the front pockets done, with the welt pocket or coin pocket, whichever way you want to call it. um, if you want to learn more, follow me. Leave me a comment, leave a question. And if you want to learn more, I have a lot of stuff. My channel is loaded with sewing only, resourcing fabrics, tech packs, and everything related to sewing and learning how to sew, and also a little bit about also branding. It's another portion of my expertise. I've been in the industry for so long, so I can help anybody who needs to start a brand. Or thanks a lot. Have a great evening. I will see you next time.